Are the message notification sounds on your Mac driving you crazy? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to turn them off so you can enjoy a quieter workspace. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings or System Preferences depending on your macOS version. Next, navigate to the Notifications section. Here, you'll find a list of all the apps on your Mac that send you notifications. Scroll down and find Messages. Click on it to adjust the notification settings for a message. Now, uncheck the box that says Play Sound for notifications. This will stop a message from playing a sound every time you receive a message. With this setting turned off, you'll still see the notification banners, but no sound will accompany them. Perfect for a distraction-free experience. If you want to completely silence a message, you can also change the alert style to none. This will stop both sounds and banners from showing up. And that's it. Turning off a message sounds on your Mac is that simple. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.